Yes, Dave Langsather, and I want to talk a little bit about the tap tone scale of wood, and it's very handy. You can tune the different parts of the violin and other stringed instruments. And this is a maple tree growing in my backyard, and I believe it's called a October Glory maple tree. So it's interesting to note that with trees, the tap tone of the trunk is the same, starting at the base and going all the way to the end. This is just a wood mallet. And it's also true of the branches. So this would be the first branch off the trunk, and this would be the first branch off the first branch, or a second branch, and also. Okay. And the first branch off is also the same, all the way along the length. And the interesting is this is highest. Okay, so it's okay, and that if we verify this, we'll see that the trunk's at 176. First branch is at 162. The third branch, the second branch off the trunk, is at 144, and the next branch off this one, third branch off the trunk, is 134. So these were determined experimentally, and it was interesting when I checked the maple tree, these are the same, and so it kind of nature verifies that this is a property of the wood itself. And this is a wood reference tool. You can find out how to make it and calibrate it at World Wide Web violinresearch.com. Look under useful tools. So if we take these and find there's a sequence here. These are off the tree. And we'll find out the next one's at 188, and then 198, 213, 227, 242, 252, 287, and 324. And these would be the frequencies used in making stringed instruments. So on a violin, this would be the top plate and the bass bar. This would be the fingerboard. This would be the back plate, sound post, nut, saddle, in pin, and a number of the other parts. And we'll find the 242 is a string bar on the tailpiece. So it's a handy reference to have. And we'll see if we have time here to do couple quick words about wood tone. All right. Wood tone we can generate with a leather mallet. This is just rolled up rawhide. You can buy these commercially. You'll see on the website there's a reference to it. Or you can use the first knuckle on the middle finger, and that'll also generate the wood tone. It's easier if you use the leather mallet. Make your knuckles kind of sore. Interesting thing about a tree, each tree has a certain wood tone. So it's the interesting thing you notice is all the branches in the trunk have the same wood tone. where and the wood mallet. Okay, so that's wood tone, and you read about with the wood tone property of wood, and how to measure it, how to select it, and of course the tap tone you can generate with the second knuckle of your middle finger or piece of sound post stock. Okay, thank you.